Ever wonder why it seems like everyone is making money with AI? Except you? Don't worry, it's not just you, but let's break it down. Real examples, real people, and real money being made with AI. No fluff, no just start a business bro energy. Let's go. 1. The lazy tech wizard who built 2 sites in a day. This one guy on Reddit used AI to build 2 super simple websites. One was a word counter, the other just generated random text. Not sexy, not hard, just automated. He listed them on Tiny Acquisitions and sold them for $150 and $125. That's $275 for what I usually spend doing. Nothing productive. 2. The digital product hustler. Some folks are using AI to create eBooks, planners, templates, and Notion docs, and flipping them on Etsy or Gumroad. They type a few prompts, format it nice, slap on a Canva cover, and bam! Passive income. One creator made over $1,000 in a weekend just selling AI-generated budget planners. No inventory, no shipping, just pure vibes. 3. The freelance time hacker freelancers are using AI to crank out blog posts, emails, product descriptions, even social media content in minutes. That means they can take on more clients without pulling all-nighters or sacrificing their sanity. One Reddit user said, "AI helped me cut my workload in half and double my freelance income. Math, I can get behind." 4. The cold email king. Let's talk about the cold email wizard. This person built a system that uses AI to generate custom outreach emails for small businesses. They charged $150 per email sequence. The AI did 90% of the work. They just proofread, hit send, and got paid. That's literally get paid to copy-paste energy. 5. The YouTuber who said I'm out people are using AI to script entire videos, generate voiceovers, and even make visuals, without showing their face or voice. One channel makes cozy cafe music plus visuals with AI tools like InVideo. The creator spends about 30 minutes per video and earns $2K plus per month in passive income. That's a lot of coffee money for a faceless robot channel. Why you're not making money yet, so why are they making money? And you're not. Top 3 reasons. You think you need to be a coder, you don't. You think you missed the wave, you haven't. You haven't taken action yet, let's fix that. The quick and dirty action plan. Here's how to stop being the observer and start being the bag chaser. Go to Reddit and search AI side hustle. Pick one idea that sounds doable. Use a free tool to try it, no overthinking. Post, sell, pitch, or launch something, anything. AI isn't magic, but it is the biggest cheat code we've ever had for making money with limited time, skills, or capital. You don't have to be early, you just have to start. This is CashGPT, beginner-friendly, no scammy vibes, just AI-powered hustle for people who want more and know they're built for it. Hit subscribe before AI replaces your boss and your job.